If anxiety has made a home in your body, your shoulders, your jaw, your chest, places you didn't even realize were holding on, if you're looking for a way to soften from the inside out and build a simple anchor back to calm, then let yourself arrive here. The music around you is tuned to 528 hertz, a frequency that resonates with the body's own natural rhythms, a gentle invitation for tension to dissolve. Breath by breath, muscle by muscle, you can begin to let go. So now, getting comfortable, closing your eyes and taking a slow, deep breath in, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Taking another slow, deep breath in. And again, exhaling slowly. Breathing in, calm, and breathing out, tension. One more time, a deep breath in, and a long, slow exhale, allowing your whole body to settle. And now, bringing your attention to your feet, just noticing them, noticing any tension they hold. And as you breathe out, imagining it just melting away, feeling your feet relaxing, your toes softening, just letting go. And sending your awareness up into your calves and shins, noticing any tightness, any tension. And with your next exhale, letting it all dissolve, feeling how your lower legs become heavy and warm, so relaxed. Good. Moving your awareness up into your thighs and hips. These muscles carry so much throughout the day, so just letting them release, letting them melt into the surface beneath you. There's nothing to hold, nothing to carry right now, so you can just let go. That's it. And bringing your awareness into your belly, noticing if you're holding any tension there, any clenching, seeing if you can allow it to soften. Just letting any tension flow away, feeling your lower back releasing and breathing into that space, feeling it relaxing more and more, opening and letting go. Just allowing it, just enjoying it, because it feels so good to let go now. Sending your awareness into your chest and upper back. And with each breath, feeling how your chest rises and falls so gently, letting the muscles between your ribs relax, letting your upper back soften and relax, feeling how the tension just melts away with every exhale. And then sending your awareness into your shoulders, noticing them, letting them gently drop down. You might not even have realized how much you've been holding them up. So just letting them fall away from your ears, feeling the tension dissolving as you do, letting it drain down your arms, past your elbows, through your wrists, all the way out through your fingertips, just flowing away. Your arms pleasantly heavy or light, your hands soft and still, so relaxed now. And sending your awareness into your neck now, letting all the small muscles of your neck soften, loosen, relax, and release. Feeling your throat relaxing and your jaw, letting it unclench, any tension just dissolving. Letting your lips part slightly, your tongue resting gently behind your teeth. That's it. Just releasing. Just allowing. Now bringing your awareness to your face, noticing what you're holding there. The muscles around your eyes, any tightness, just letting it all soften. Your cheeks, your temples. If there's any tension there, just letting it dissolve. Feeling your forehead smoothing. And your scalp, noticing where you're holding on. The top of your head, the back of your skull. Letting even those small forgotten muscles release now. Feeling your whole face, your whole head, peaceful, light, at ease. Just scanning through your entire body now, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, all of it resting in stillness, softness, feeling the pleasant release as you breathe and allowing yourself to enjoy this wonderful feeling of grounded, present, calm. Good. And now, in this calm, relaxed state, gently bring your thumb and forefinger together on one hand, pressing them gently but firmly. And as they connect, really notice how your body feels right now. How calm and grounded, how still and peaceful. And perhaps you can allow this touch to become a signal, an anchor, linking this feeling of deep relaxation to this simple gesture now. Taking a slow breath in while holding that connection between your thumb and forefinger, and breathing out, knowing that every time you listen to this meditation or any meditation like it, and you make this gesture, the connection between the state of calm and the pressure in your fingers will grow stronger and stronger. And over time, whenever you feel stress building or anxiety rising, you can bring your thumb and forefinger together. Taking one slow breath and allowing your body to remember this wonderful feeling of grounded calm. And the more you use your anchor, the faster it works. The more you practice, the deeper it goes. That's how your nervous system learns, through consistency and gentleness. You can release your fingers now, or keep them together, whatever feels right. Resting here for as long as you'd like, knowing that this calm is yours, that this anchor is yours, and that each time you return to this practice, it becomes a little easier, a little more natural to let go. And in a moment, whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. And when you do, you'll be fully present, calm and grounded, ready to continue your day. And perhaps you'll be pleasantly surprised to find how much more ease you bring into all you do.